Dear friends, in my last episode, I spoke to you about being busy. Let me take you back to my life story. In 1979, I met my brother-in-law, Brigadier P.P. Sani, at Binaguri where he was posted. And he was extremely busy. He was in an appointment, a logistic appointment, which we call a DQ. And I knew very well that I should not be disturbing him when he's really, really busy. Yet, I was to appear for staff college. I needed some guidance from him, and I knew that nobody can do it better than him. Very hesitatingly, I picked up some courage, walked up to him and said, "Bhai, is it possible for you to help me with some guidance for staff college?" And he said, "Why are you saying that? Where is the question? Of course I will do it. Why wouldn't I?" I said, "I'm aware of the fact that you are so busy and I'm going to be impinging on your very valuable time. So obviously, I'm not keen to do that." And he said something to me which I have never forgotten and applied in my life through and through. And let me tell you, if you do that, you will benefit a lot out of it. Now listen to what he said. He said, "When you say I am busy, you mean that I have no time for you, or I have no time for this work." That is what it means. So instead of saying I'm busy, see if you can be frank enough and outright to say, "I'm sorry, it doesn't fit into my priorities." Some people may take it, some people won't, but in due course of time, people will respect you because you respect time. And it's better to say, "I'll not be able to do it till next week," than to say, "I'll try and not do it." When I heard this, I realized that when my mother used to look forward to a letter, and she used to really count days, and she used to say, "Beta, at least once in 10 days, write a letter." And I used to say, "Mommy, I have no time. I'm so busy in my school." And once, when I was at home and my brother was in an engineering college, and I saw her every day looking out of the window for the postman, and when he didn't have a letter, I saw the disappointment she had, and every day she lived on that hope of getting a letter. Then I realized that writing a letter was more important than hanging out with my friends and wasting my time. Friends, from today onwards, when you say "I'm busy," remember what it implies is you don't have time for that person, you don't have priority for that person or the work you're referring to. I will continue to tell you things about time, my practical experiences, and the research I have been doing on this subject. I have written a book on it called $1 Million Second. I've spoken on a TEDx talk on what Army taught me about time, and I write blog posts on time investment strategies. I continue to do my research and go deep into this subject. Please share with me your stories related to time so that we can put them all together and learn from each other. Let's create a time-conscious society. Thank you.